Hi, this is a very quick review, first impressions of the Leatherman Juice S2 multi-tool. This has just arrived in the post yesterday actually. I had to wait till today until I had an opportunity to do a video. This has come all the way from America. The main reason being that this colour, Storm Grey, is not available in the UK. So in the UK this is only available in a bright orange colour, which is quite attractive, but I really fancied the grey. Heaney's couldn't get it for me. Also in Heaney's this is about £60. From the US on Amazon, including a payment to cover duty, this was delivered for around about £35. So just on the back here, have a look at the features. Needle nose pliers, wire cutters, knife, scissors, screwdrivers, bottle opener, can opener, lanyard ring, and obviously the all-important 25-year guarantee, which Leatherman are famous for honouring very well. So let's open this up. I've got my Spyderco Pingo in orange there. Let's open this up very carefully. I know I could tear this open, but I'm a bit sad, and I'll probably keep this just as a point of reference. Here it comes. Right, so the reason that I chose this particular model was that it was fairly slim and had some good basic features, and more than that, it had a UK legal, slightly oily, UK legal non-locking blade. And for Leatherman's, there's not actually many models that feature that, unfortunately, so it really limits what you can carry every day in the UK. So, as has often been said, what's the best multi-tool? It's the one that you carry with you, because otherwise you're not going to have it when you need it. So this was the one that I selected. I'm quite keen on Swiss Army knives, there's a couple there, but the thing about Swiss Army knives, they don't have the pliers. These aren't spring loaded, but yeah, they don't have the pliers, and where is it? They don't have the scissors. Let me just find the scissors. So let's work through this. There you go, these are scissors. I think it's been commented before that for a reasonably small multi-tool, these are pretty good sized scissors. Right, so that goes out first, that one comes in. There you've got the bottle opener and can opener, and that folds in over the top of the scissors. So if you want to get your scissors out, you have to take that out first. Not a big problem. On this side, on the outside scale, is just a knife. We've looked at that, non-locking. On the inside, what have we got in here? On this side, we've got the Phillips head screwdrivers. 1, 2 and 3. So let's just have a look at the size of those. There you go, small, medium and large. And on this side we've got a single Phillips head screwdriver. I think I might have said the other screwdrivers are Phillips heads. They are in fact flat. And if I can get it, a lanyard ring. I can't quite work out how to get that out. Probably better to do it off camera. You see here there's a bit of milling to lighten the scales, if you will. Similarly over here, this milling in there folds up into a nice pocket-sized package. Leatherman Juice S2. Just for size comparisons, this is a Victorinox Solo. It's a single tier, single blade knife. Obviously, in terms of size, this is a little bit shorter, a little bit wider, and obviously a lot thicker, notably heavier. Here's a medium-sized Swiss Army knife. This is a waiter with a corkscrew, and about the same length. Again, wider, thicker, heavier, and just maybe of some interest would be in comparison with a Spyderco UK Pingo, UK PK, not UK Pingo. Just whip out the blade. You can see that it's well within the permitted 3 inches. Just compare it with a Swiss Army knife blade. So in terms of usable edge, not that much different. The stock is a little slimmer against the Solo. So look at that stock, but thicker than a medium Swiss Army knife. About the same usable edge. Right, so that is the Leatherman Juice S2 in Storm Grey, fresh from the USA, ordered from Amazon, no big problems. Generally, I think I'm very pleased with that. It'd be nice if those had been sprung, but you can't have everything. But really, a nice pocket-sized package. Okay. Thank you very much.